Paintology app allows you to save all your drawings that you create, and they can all be found under the My Paintings section from the home screen. In the My Paintings section, you will find all your saved drawings. The first item is called Video Guides, where you can find all the tips and tricks to drawing and painting with Paintology. You can come here anytime to learn fun ways to draw with Paintology. The app has been designed to improve all your drawing and coloring skills. Let's go back to the My Paintings main section. If you made a drawing from the drawing canvas and saved it, it will all be found here. I can click on a drawing and it will open it up as shown. With our busy lives, it is a great way to carry on drawing from where you left off. It's perfect for drawing on your phone on the go. All overlay drawings such as paint by numbers are also saved here. If you save a trace drawing, it will also load the trace image along with your own drawing. You can carry on where you left off and finish the drawing at your own time. Let's go back to the main screen. You can find useful menu items in the drop-down list, such as rename and share your drawings. You can also share with your friends and family using the buttons on the bottom. Post your drawing to the community area using this button. For more information on these and other helpful tips, please go to the video guides on overlay and trace drawings. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give us feedback. This helps us to greatly improve the Paintology app, the only digital drawing app closest to the real thing.